Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. I've got the great pleasure to bring to you a new stock item in our used stock, in that of a Lunar Clubman SR 2019 in absolutely fantastic condition, barely used by the previous customer. Previous customer has had to change just due to change in circumstances and brought in a fantastic specimen for our used stock. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So the Clubman range being the top of the range single axle caravan that Lunar do, with the 7'8" wide body shell. You've got the wonderfully large front locker box located here. The ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. Down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, 240-volt socket inside that wet locker box, and that beautiful Clubman logo and decals going down the side. You've got the machine blacked alloys being a wonderful finish on the Clubman range, and also coming with an Alco wheel lock as a standard fitment for the caravan. So stepping inside, you've got a nice large kitchen work surface with work surface extension. You've got the lilac fabric scheme that really offsets well in this very well lit and light caravan. Large front chest there with pull out table and drawers underneath, with also the PIR sensor for the alarm. Television point down the front here where you can pop a TV on that front binnacle with a small panoramic sunroof at the front. You've got a wonderful gloss cream finish on all of the lockers, creating a fantastic feeling of light and space and airiness in this caravan. One of the key benefits though is this full stretch panoramic sunroof running all the way down the caravan, again creating a fantastic feeling of space and a great feeling of light. Benefiting in this caravan from the Aldi wet central heating system. You've got a combination oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, with pan storage underneath. Rare to see in this particular layout is a nice tall larder fridge. So quite rare to get a tall larder fridge on a single axle caravan. Easy usable height microwave located above that fridge, with some usable robe hooks dotted here. Sliding in then to the central bathroom area, you've got a quality finish on the sink with storage underneath. Your Thetford toilet located just next to the Aldi wet central heated towel rail, with storage located above. A very spacious individual shower cubicle, so plenty of space inside that in this central bathroom, as we move towards the back with this rear island bed. So a good look at the space again on this nice large island bed. A very generous size Hecky light in the bedroom, again creating a fantastic feeling of space. Wardrobes and drawers located either side of the bed, with spotlights that turn on and switch on with individual switches. A second television point located in the bedroom area, should that be a need or a consideration for you. So that gives you a real good feeling and good understanding for what this Clubman SR 2019 has to offer. The previous customers have looked after this caravan fantastically well, so in absolutely great condition for the next owner. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. We hope we can do business together, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.